Meet DataVolve, our accelerator for rapid, AI-assisted Databricks adoption. It transforms slow, manual migrations into governed, repeatable workflows, native to Databricks with Delta Live tables, Lakeflow, and Unity Catalog. The result: faster timelines, built-in quality, and confidence at scale. Are decisions slipping because your time to insight is slow? Are teams buried in operational overhead, fixing failures, tuning jobs, chasing schema changes? Are you reinventing the wheel on every project with no standard patterns? If that sounds familiar, DataVolve is the answer. Let's walk through the powerful capabilities DataVolve offers. First, AI-assisted rapid Databricks adoption. With automated assessment, templated code conversion, and optimized data movement, migration effort drops by up to 60%. With pre-built components and Lakeflow declarative pipelines that speed up development. Next, a reusable and standardized framework. DataVolve offers proven lakehouse blueprints for consistent, high-quality deployments. This means less rework, better code, and easier long-term support. And looking ahead, DataVolve is evolving into agentic, self-healing pipelines. Pipelines that monitor data quality, proactively optimize performance, detect anomalies, and recommend targeted fixes. Finally, business-centric capabilities. Pre-built, scalable semantic models, industry-agnostic or domain-specific like Customer 360 and Sales Analytics, delivered on Unity Catalog for consistent, trusted metrics. With DataVolve, you work natively in Databricks, standardize workflows, and embed agentic AI across every phase, delivering faster value, lower risk, and consistent business outcomes. Now let's move on to the core features of DataVolve. Let's take a quick tour of DataVolve. Start by selecting the legacy data platform and the workflow package you want to convert. Click View Profiling to explore your uploaded packages and select one to inspect. DataVolve automatically extracts your variables and transformations and generates a detailed report from your package. Review all variables, parameters, and connection details extracted from your workflow. The Connections tab shows unique connection objects along with server and database information. The Control Flow tab lists all control flow tasks, and the Data Flow tab gives you a breakdown of data flow tasks present in your legacy workflow. If you're ready to convert, set up your Databricks connection and define your architecture. Choose your bronze, silver, and gold schema names. Then enter the JDBC server URL for your Databricks destination. Click Run Conversion to download your converted Databricks workflow or revisit the detailed report. The downloaded files contain your Databricks notebook and detailed reports on your variables and transformations. Back on the home page, you can upload more packages to convert. Now let's import the generated workflow into Databricks. Create a new notebook, and click on File and Import to upload the generated notebook. Your workflow is now ready for execution. This diagram shows the SSIS data flow for the generated Databricks notebook. Now let's explore the auto-generated Databricks notebook created by DataVolve. The workflow follows the medallion architecture. It first extracts the source data into the bronze layer, and then applies necessary transformations that are extracted from the legacy package, such as data conversions, derived column, sort, merge, lookup, etc. This code is a translation of the ETL workflow in the SSIS package that has been converted to a Databricks workflow using PySpark transformations. After the transformations are done, the data is stored into the Silver table. In your SQL warehouse, you can now see both bronze and silver tables ready for use. Together, let's move forward and turn this vision into reality.